Okay, time to take a look at the Kauplus Industrial Pliers set. So that's neat. Actually comes with a little carrying pouch. And there they are. So this is interesting. They actually have a little spring mechanism in here. They are still adjustable, so you can grab large or small nuts and bolts. But yeah, that's interesting. I've never seen one like that that actually has a spring in it. That's pretty cool. So we've got our standard pliers. We can see that they are labeled right there. We got a nice rubberized texture on here. It's actually a kind of like a bumpy texture as well. So that's very nice, especially if you've got greasy hands. That's going to really help. A nice tooth jaw and a diamond pattern tip on here. For the needle nose, probably the most important thing to me is that the tip actually lines up well. And if I try to bend it around, it does not have very much wiggle at all. So that's very good. We also got our cutting edge here. We have a crimper here. Now we got two wire holders and we got another bolt holder right there. The teeth are all flat. They are slightly diagonal. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Then we got our side cutters. Now this one does not have a spring, which is perfectly fine for me. So you got a nice closed jaw. So you can see if I put something behind it, you cannot see any light through it. So that's very good. And to find out how tough they are, let's see if we can cut a screw. Yep, sure can. You can see we took some of the coating off of there, but the blade is still in good condition. So that's awesome. And the last thing are these little adjustable pliers. These are tiny, but these things are actually very useful. I find that most of the time for the work that I do, just trying to get into tiny areas, this is actually going to be more useful than large water pump pliers. There is a little bit of flex, but not much. And we got nice flat teeth on there. So yeah, overall that is a very cool kit, and I really like that they got a pouch in there. I think the biggest thing is that these things actually have springs in them. So if you're gonna be grabbing a lot of objects and you don't have to worry about putting your finger in here because you have to open them up, this is actually gonna save a lot of effort on your hand. So that is a very cool set.